Welcome to New Tech Solution. Today I gonna show you how you can open a Facebook account perfectly. It's very simple, but still I want to show you because some of the people doesn't know how to open the Facebook account. This video is only for them. Okay, so first of all I will show on my computer, then I gonna show you on my phone as well. So on my computer I will show just little bit, but most of the part I gonna show you on my phone. So if you go your computer, you need to go to Google, then you need to search Facebook, Facebook. Then you can see this is the first one is Facebook Meta. You need to click this one. So when you click this one, you're gonna get this page and it said Facebook login or sign up. So we need to go this one because we are going to sign up a new account. So you need to just click that on. So when you click that on, this is my Facebook account page, so that's why it's showing in here. Then if you have account, that time you need to go to email address, password, then login. But we don't have account right now. We're gonna go to bottom, it said create new account. So you need to go to create new account, just click that on. Then they're gonna show this kind of dialog box. You need to put first name, surname, mobile number, new password, like for your Facebook account. Okay, then you need to put date of birth, then you need to put gender, what gender you are, then sign up. So that's the main process if you go through like the computer, but I gonna show you everything on mobile phone. Okay, so that's how you gonna understand how you can do on the mobile phone as well. So suppose this is my phone, then I am going to App Store because this is the iPhone. If you have Android phone, then you need to go to Play Store. Okay, so when you go to Play Store or App Store, you need to search Facebook, Facebook. So when you search the Facebook, then it gonna pop up Facebook app. So you can see here is showing the Facebook apps. So when you see this Facebook app, you need to download this one to your phone. So I already have that on, so that's why it's showing like this. So I already got in here. Have a look, this is the Facebook. So I'm gonna just press that on, it's open. So it's showing my previous account I have, but I need to go to bottom. You can see sign up for Facebook in the bottom. Just click that on, then you can see join Facebook. Okay, so this is the first part. You need to get started, just click get started. Then it said what's your name, so you need to put your first name and surname. So first name, suppose I gonna put MACK, Mac, and suppose I put my surname Robert, ROBERT. Okay, so just an example. Okay, so then you put that done. The next one is set when's your date of birth. So your date of birth you need to put in here. Suppose I gonna put on example 1st of May 1986. Then I gonna go to continue. Then they ask me what gender are you. So you need to select on the round thing on the right hand side, you female or male. So I gonna put male. Then okay, then next one, what's your mobile number. You should put your mobile number. And next one is set use your email address. I gonna use right now my email address, not phone, but you need to put for the phone as well. Okay, so that's how you're gonna get like the perfect things. Okay, so I am putting my email address just in here. If you don't know how to open a email account, you should go to my channel and you can see how to open a Gmail account or any Gmail account, something like that. Okay, so I gonna put my Gmail account just in here. So this is my Facebook login ID. So you have to keep in mind that one. Okay, then you need to go, when you put that on, then you need to create a password. So you need to put a strong password for your Facebook. So suppose if I put 1 2 3 4 5, it's not strong and it's not too big, so that's why it will not take the password. You need to put suppose like the upper key, lower key of your keyboard plus number and numeric or something like that. Okay, so you need to mix up. Suppose I am give an example for you. Then you need to finish sign up, then you go to sign up, then it start creating. So it takes maybe 10 to 15 seconds, then it gonna create your account, then it will be live. Okay, so you can see it's creating your account. So then when it's creating, Facebook said Facebook like to send a notification, you're gonna allow that. Then it said ask to put your profile picture. So I'm gonna go for camera roll and I'm gonna go from my like from my mobile phone, and I'm gonna use one of the photo. So that's how you can put your photo or whatever you like. Next one, find friends. So you can go to find friend and you can go to continue. You can keep the access from your contact number or don't allow. So right now I am not allowing because maybe later I gonna find out that. Then connect your friends, you can give the settings or not allow. I am not allowing that on as well. Now you can see is confirm email. So whatever email account you already put for the creating the things, you have to verify this is the right email address, plus you have the right person, you are the right person for that. So Facebook already sent an email to my Gmail account. So if I go to log in my Gmail account, you can see it said Facebook. So Facebook already sent 5-digit on code just for on times. You can see 29860. That's my code. I have to verify my account. Okay. So that number I need to enter in here 29. So that's the one time password 860, then need to submit. So when I submit it, they're gonna verify it. They said confirm, that means it's verified. So now your page is live. So you are on the platform of Facebook right now. So when you are here, you can make bit test you are okay or not. So you can see this is like first you can go to first one set create a story. Suppose I gonna touch that on, it set access to your camera roll or share photo. Suppose I gonna select photos, one of the photo I gonna try to select and I gonna see it's working or not. Suppose I am going to this photo and I gonna put done continue. You can see it's already uploaded in my things. Then for another one I gonna go maybe text. If I select text, maybe I gonna write down something. I gonna write down this THIS, this is my channel. You can write down whatever you want. You can give hi to your friend or something. Then go to done, then share to story. You can see it's uploading. Okay, so when it's uploaded, you can see this is live as well. So your story, you can see this is live. If you click that on, you can see it's here. This is my story already uploaded to my page. Okay, so then next one you can see the reels. You can make any reels if you want. So then you can upload with your friends, share that. You can make a room as well for you. So if whatever you want, you can do everything just in here. If you go to profile now you can change your profile. If you click in your profile, then get a start, add profile photo. Suppose I gonna take from my camera roll this photo as a profile picture. Okay, so I gonna select this one, then I gonna save it. So you can put your own picture. So that's how you can save that on. Okay, so the next one you need to get a start your editing your setting your profile or something. Right now I'm gonna stop that on. So if you want to change anything or modification or edit anything, you need to go. You can see first one is set is add to story. So that's your story. Okay, you are under in story. You need to go to edit profile. So next one. So when you click edit profile, next one, then you will be able to edit everything. Okay, so here you can see profile picture. You can change profile picture, you can put cover photo, bio, details, everything in here. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.